We are Pass and Go Driving School, and this is how to apply for your personal reference number. To become a driving instructor, you'll need a personal reference number. This number will be yours as long as you're a driving instructor within the UK and is free to obtain from the DVSA. You can apply for your PRN as soon as you have a valid DBS check. You can get your PRN by visiting gov.uk and searching for Apply to become a driving instructor. On the first page, you'll be prompted to begin the process. Please bear in mind the entries made in this video will be censored, and therefore the application form may appear slightly different to what you see on your screen. You will be asked if you have tried to qualify as an ADI in the UK before. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will select "This is the first time I've tried." Please make sure you have your driving licence number, a criminal record disclosure number or DBS, details of any motoring or non-motoring offences, and details of any court cases being brought against you. I will explain how you need these items as we proceed. Please make sure you read the user declaration thoroughly before continuing. The next page will require your driving licence number. Please make sure you enter this accurately. Following this, you'll receive some guidance notes. Check over this information, and once you're happy, click Next. You will be prompted for your personal details. The next page will ask you for your address. Entering your postcode and building name or number will allow the address finder to auto-populate the rest. This page will ask for your contact details. The two mandatory fields are your phone number and your email address. Here, the form will ask you how many years you have been driving. The box in the top left is for how many years you've been driving in the UK. The bottom left is for how many years you've been driving in the European Union. The top right is for any years spent driving in foreign countries. And the bottom right asks for the country in which those years were accrued, if relevant. The next page will ask you for any criminal record details. This is where you will need your DBS check. You will need to input your criminal record certificate number and the date of issue, which you will find in the top right corner of your DBS certificate. Your DBS must be in date within the last 6 months. You will then be taken to a list of questions about offences. You must indicate whether you have any motoring offences, any non-motoring offences, any pending court cases, any disqualifications, or any endorsements. You may provide details using the section at the bottom of the page. The next page will show the terms of the declaration. Please make sure you read this thoroughly before agreeing to release the information. You must also provide your ethnic origin and agree to the mandatory terms before proceeding to the next page. Note that these two fields are not mandatory should you not wish to consent to either. By clicking Next, you will then be taken to a summary of the application. All of the details you have given should now be displayed accurately on this page. Your personal reference number is here in the top right corner of the form. Please make note of this, as you'll need it to book all of your tests. We offer a free test booking service for those that are training with PNG. It's important that we receive your PRN so that we can get you out on the road as an approved driving instructor. You can email us at findyourhappy@passandgo.net. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow, like and subscribe.